Hello and welcome to another unboxing. As I said in the last video, I showed that I'm gonna be opening this up. Yeah, I couldn't upload both of these on the same day, so I decided to upload it one after another. So yeah, let's open it. And here it is in the display part outside of the box. And I have to find my screwdriver. Just wait a bit while I find it. And here it is. I also opened the door. So, it's plastic spoiler. Look at the nice detail. One's headlight and taillight with openable door. There were a couple of others, like they had a Lamborghini Sian, but I already have a Lamborghini. Just wait a bit while I get that one. Yeah, and here are both of them. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.